Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today working on my 2023 Polaris Ranger 1000 XP. This is the crew cab. Working on the back side of my Ranger today. I've got a bed mat, and this is from Kemimoto. They sent this to me. They want me to put it in there and do a little review on it. So that's what I'm going to do. That is the mat. That's how it came. I know it looks like it ain't going to fit in there. It looks like it's going to be too small, but I'm going to pull her out here and we're going to take a look at it. So I did wash out my bed the best I could. And to get ready to put the mat down. You don't want to put your mat over a bunch of dirt. So here it is. It's got a zip tie on it. This has been in the shop, in the warm shop, since I got it. So yeah, we'll see how well this thing's going to unfold here. It actually doesn't want to unfold. Okay, so there it is setting in the bed. You almost can't see it if it wasn't trying to curl up. It's fighting me pretty good. It's been curled up in that thing. I probably should have opened it up when I got it. But so I got some packages here, or some heavy things holding it down. Hopefully I'll leave that overnight. We'll see how that works out. But it's it looks like a really nice little mat here. It's got ribs, and all the ribs are going over the ribs in the bed. They even got where the bolt holes, where the bolts are. They got one, and it looks like once it lays out here, go on the other side, you got better light. It looks like once it lays flat here, I mean, you can see it looks like it's gonna tuck right in there, nice. Okay guys, so here it is 3 days later, having the bunch of packages laying on it. It still is not laid out yet. If it was summertime, I could park out in the sun and it'd probably help that lay down all the way. But it's beginning of November in Wisconsin, so there's no warm sun out there. But I'm sure it'll eventually relax. But just be aware of that when you get it, probably unroll it for a while before you throw it in there, or weight it down like I did. But yeah, this is about an 1/8 inch thick is what I measured. So you still got access to your tie downs here on all four corners. And I guess the big reason that I wanted a mat was to protect the bed, you know, from scratches and stuff, stains. It's basically gonna protect the value of my Ranger. So on the other end, when I'm done with it, it should be worth more. Another reason why I wanted it is I'm getting a bed accessory and it's going to set something right on the floor. So I wanted a little protection there. So a few more reasons why you might want a rubber mat. If you have dogs, nobody. If you have dogs that like to sit in the back of your truck, I know this rubber is going to be a lot more comfortable on their paws. And then if they like to lay down, it's going to be much more comfortable on their elbows, I'm sure. Also going to be a little anti-skid for them, so have something for their paws to grab a hold of so they're not slipping and sliding. And then speaking of anti-skid, the rubber mat's going to really help keep stuff from sliding around. I know a lot of people like to leave their tailgates down. They don't like to put them up. The rubber mat's going to help keep stuff from sliding out. Okay, so I suppose some people are wondering what happens when you dump the bed. So let's see what happens when you dump the bed. Stays in there. It's actually these ribs. These ribs aren't even all the way down and it stays in there. So that kind of shows you the anti-skid that you're going to get with the mat. But yeah, guys, overall, I think it's going to be a nice addition to the Ranger. I think it's going to really help, like I said, protect and help with keep the value of the Ranger. This rubber mat might actually help kind of sound deaden the machine too. Anytime you can add like a rubbery material, especially with a machine that's got this much plastic, it might actually help deaden some of that plastic noise or whatever. I would like to get a set of floor mats, rubber floor mats, and see what that does on the inside for sound. But I know Kemimoto, they have floor mats as well. So we'll see about that. But anyway, guys, I guess that's going to do it for this one. My little review here of the Kemimoto bed mat. I'm going to have links to where you can buy this, guys. Check it out. But yeah, I'm going to head out and maybe use the mat a little bit. I'll see you guys.